Hello and welcome to another Solos demo feature. My name is Ala Haddad, the developer for the Solo theme. And in this demo, we are going to talk about the opacity of scrolling down. What it is exactly. It did exist in the old theme, and I think it's a nice cool feature to have in the new theme, so I brought it to the new theme. What it does exactly, so this is the side I haven't activated. So this is the side, Command Shift R. I'm refreshing the page, and you see I'm scrolling now down, and if you see there is no, you could see immediately here. That's what it is. You could see immediately the top. So what I want actually, I want when I'm scrolling down, I want to see kind of like it's fading, and then the more I scroll, the more it appears. So it's kind of like, you change opacity according to how much available out of this box, percentage wise. So I activate, I click save, and this, it's for all the regions. That's why on the global side. So Command Shift R, I'm refreshing. So now watch the top. You see it? You see it comes from, it fades and then it comes. That's the change in opacity, and the same thing. And also the same thing at the bottom. Here it is, all of them. This feature was introduced also in old theme, and I brought it to the new theme. I hope you like this feature, and see you in the next one.